We now request the superstar of Indian cinema, the legendary Talaivar Shri Rajnikant ji to address this auspicious gathering. Jai Gurudev.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Pranam, Gurudev. And sir?
ಯಾವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ
Okay.
ತಮಿಳು
Oh, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಂದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ
Mix. Okay. And Honorable Central Minister, Transport and Highway Minister, respected Gadkari ji, and devotees of Gurudev, the advanced souls. Good evening to everybody. Just 3 days before, Prashant Nair, he called me and he told Guruji want to talk to me. So Gurudev came on the phone and he told me, I am also entering your regime. 70 years, I am 76. So he never celebrated birthday. He said, his devotees are insisted. So, when birthday is there, and 45th year of this ashram's celebration, if you are free, if you have no shooting, if you are okay, 12th or 13th, come for 10 minutes. That was Guruji's order. See, insisting, if there is no shooting, if you are completely free, come. So I came here. So Prashant, you said, what is the function? It's the satsang. Satsang means usually I have seen some 50 people or 60 people. That is called satsang. Actually, where I have been to Himalayas, ashram, or wherever. He says, satsang, how many people will be? Some 10,000, 15,000. You want me to speak? Yes, definitely. In what language I want me to speak to them? I am comfortable. I was born and brought up in Karnataka, Kannada, Marathi mother tongue. In home we used to speak Marathi and Kannada. 25 years I was here, worked as a bus conductor, all know that. So then actually I went to Chennai, Tamil Nadu. From last 52 years, I am there in Chennai. So I forgotten Kannada, sorry. In the sense, there is no one actually to talk to me in there. So touch bitbudide ashte. Kannada martilla, touch bitbudide ashte. So Tamil matadade, no sir, the better actually you speak in English or Hindi, then only people will understand. They said, okay, let me try my best. So I'm here, I don't know, in front of Gurudev, with all you I am. First of all, I want to talk some few words about Nitin Gadkari ji. First time I met him in 2001, one cricket match, World Cup held in Bombay, Venkat Stadium, World Cup. So we are all with family, we went there and we saw completely it was historic win. Full jubilant and completely all full commotion and everything, celebration and all. So after the match we started coming, but there is no car at all. We don't know where the car was. Somewhere it was parked. So lot of people at the time the Robo picture was released and so much fans, they coming and gathering, taking photos and everything. It was so difficult to cross the road. So I was actually, Mrs. Vasu was not well. I don't know, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Because all the governors, chief ministers, MPs, ministers, cars are going, convoy. So we don't know. So then suddenly one car with red light, one car stopped, reversed. Inside, Gadkari ji. Rajni ji, kya kar rahe ho? Kahan ja rahe ho? Nahi, car udhar hai, baitha andar. So completely he told all security people, his secretary and everything, utro up. So completely we were all there in the car. I said, कहाँ जाना है? Hotel. अरे होटल जाना है तो 2 hours लगेगा ना. कार इधर है, आप उधर ड्रॉप कर दो. नहीं, कार ढूंढना है तो मुश्किल होगा. अब कार में जाना है तो 2 hours लगेगा, बिकॉज ट्रैफिक का ये हो गया. मैं आपको ड्रॉप करूंगा. सो ऑन द वे ही टुक होम एंड ही ट्रीटेड. एंड आफ्टर दैट whenever he comes to Chennai, he will grace to come my home. He's such a wonderful person, excellent, his achievements, the roads, the beautiful highway roads because of Gadkari ji. In politics, everybody, not many people, that is the political world. Not many friends, only enemies. But no enemy for Gadkari ji. Everyone respects him. He not demand respect, he commands respect. I'm so happy to share a dais with him. And Gurudev ji, actually I have seen Gurudev ji in photos, in TVs, some videos and everything, but I never saw till 3 years before in person. So once actually from Bangalore I was about to go to Chennai, but some technical problem, the flight was not on time. So the crew actually in the airport, they said, please sit in a lounge. So anytime they will announce, then we can go. So I was waiting 40 minutes, 45 minutes, nothing. Then suddenly in that lounge, actually everybody is completely like electrifying. Everybody is happy, jumping. So much this thing, everybody going to door. I thought some Prime Minister has come, something like that. I saw the Gurudev is standing there. So much actually, then he came and he sat in front of me. So just how you were everything. Just I'm saying straight 3 feet away, Gurudev. I could see so much happiness in his face. Face, eyes, eyebrow, chin, lip, hair, body. No, it is jubilant. I was only looking at him. It was like some poorest man, if he gets some 50 crores lottery, how happy he would be. Like that happiness. And I have seen saints, but this is amazing. Then Swamiji invited me, come ashram, so we'll go to Himalayas. Here also you experience it. You can definitely, I'm telling you, you will enjoy ashram as well. So I got time, then a 2 days plan. I came here, first time I'm entering inside. A beautiful villa is there, they provided me. So what a beautiful, I never imagined. What a beautiful ashram, full greenery, lake, and people all smile, happiness in their face. Even maids, Gurkhas, gardener, everybody. There is elephant, horses, hundreds of cows, and 2 horses. One horse's name is Rajini. And morning, Vedagosha, hundreds of Nachiketa, Prahalada, that kind of children. What a fantastic. I enjoyed the presence really. After Himalayas, really I enjoyed this ashram. And I planned for 2 days, but I stayed for 50 days. And on that trip, so Gurudev once told me, in the evening, some auspicious day that day, am I taking too much time, Gurudev?
Yeah, take your time.
Some auspicious day, lot of bhaktas, devotees, were hundreds, thousands were there. So Gurudev told me, I'm going to give a darshan. Can you come with me? He said, Gurudev, it's a lot of disturbance for you if I come with you. I told him, no problem, no disturbance, come. I thought naturally people will there, they will know, Rajini, autograph, sign again, photo, ghetto. When I come there, I saw a lot of Tamil people also. I said, my God, what to do? Gurudev called, okay. Gurudev was sitting left side, I was sitting right side. He said, come, pretty bhaktas throughout, completely thousands, they're standing. To be frank with you, I'm not lying. Not even a single person looked at me. Forget about photo, signature, not even a single page. I am waving hi, hi. No one looked at me. No, I went with many politicians, my industrialists, and also, but they crushed my ego actually. So after reaching Villa, Gurudev asked, no disturbance, he said. इधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया इधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया. That is the power of spirituality. That is the power of spirituality. Stardom comes and goes. A limited time it stays. But this stardom is supreme stardom. Even after their demise, the stardom stays forever. In fact, it grows multiple. It grows. ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದೋ ಅದು ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಡಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಪ್ಪಗಳಿರ. Purandarasa, great saint, his human birth is very auspicious. Don't spoil it, you mad people. To get human birth is not so easy. After getting human birth, yes, healthy body, peaceful mind, to get good mind is very difficult. After getting that, to wish to know yourself, it is very difficult. After human birth, good health, and after wish to know yourself, then to teach you, to lead you, getting a good guru is very difficult. Getting good guru, not that kind of gurus. So after getting such a wonderful guru like Sri, we should not miss this opportunity. Guruvina gulamanaguva tanaka doryadanna mukuti. Yes. I think Chikkamangaluru in Bhadra River, near Bhadra River, in 10 days of silence in penance, actually he was blessed with Sudarshana Kriya. There is two yogas, Bhakti Yoga and Tantra Yoga. Bhakti Yoga is a devotion, repetition of holy name. Yes, repetition of holy name with faith, with 100% faith, with devotion. If you repeat it, you will get moksha. So many saints, mere repeating holy name, they will get moksha. They realize the self. Tantra is a technique. Mantra transformed into pranayam, practiced in Mudugala, the spinal cord. So Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anata, Vishuddha, Agna, Sahasrara, and Vishishta. That technique, there is a shortcut of getting God consciousness. That is actually Swamiji Gurudev is completely his. You are so blessed actually, because these are the ancient techniques, very secret and very sacred. All rishis and saints actually, they won't reveal so easily. You have to be there with their 30 years, 40 years, you have to serve them. Then only you will get the initiation. Luckily, he is initiating everybody. So nice. Blessed. A small story actually, when king was there, and he has a very good prime minister, very good chief minister, very excellent, very wisdom, and very talented. He was the right hand of that king. And without him, actually, he won't do anything. That is his capability. One day the minister came and actually, Raja, please, king, allow me, relieve me actually, I will go to Himalayas, I want to become a sannyasi. He said, what fool you are, what sannyasi, why you were going there? Here you do japa, you do your mantra, whatever you want you do. No, enough is enough. So I am going, leave me. So he went. So he said, actually, without him, actually, he struggled. He was not actually comfortable. Some 5 years after that, that sannyas, that mantri, that minister, he came to his town. So they told Mantha, he has come. Oh, call him. He said, he won't come. You have to go. Okay, right. So the king went there, he saw some kuti, small kuti, and just mat actually, and sitting there he is, one just pot of water is there. King was standing there. You fool, what you attained? Attained everything and you sitting here there, what you are doing here? So the minister actually, who is saying this thing, said, King, when you were with you, when you were minister, when I was minister, you were a king, I was standing in front of you. Sir, I am standing in front of you, now you are standing in front of me. That is the power of spiritual person. That is the power of spiritual person that attracts. That is the ultimate. That's why even PM to Gadkari, everybody is here. That is the power. That is the power. Spiritual power. Make use of that. Really being near him, to hear his voice. His drishti is a son of I am blessed. Sitting here, spending so much time. All this is because of Guru's grace, God's grace. God bless. Gurudev, please be with us. We want, of course, with healthy body, you should be there physically, you should be there long time. And I pray God your good health. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.